When you're just getting started, you can consider some of these free portfolio website options. The first option is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform, but it can also double as a portfolio in case you choose to showcase your data projects. So when you click on Add Projects, you're able to input a project name. So once you're done with that, just hit Save and you'll be good to go. The second option is GitHub, and GitHub is a platform primarily for code hosting and version control. Number 3, we have DataSciencePortfolio.io, and this is a niche portfolio builder that is designed specifically for the data professionals. 4, we have Kaggle. Kaggle Notebooks let you write and publish Jupyter Notebooks in browser. We also have Notion, which is a flexible digital workspace where you can organize and present your portfolio using blocks, text, images, links, embeds, and databases. And Notion is easy to use, especially for non-coders, and it is also good for storytelling style portfolios. There is also Medium, which is a writing-focused platform that is ideal for sharing detailed explanations, project walkthroughs, as well as tutorials. But as you gain experience and your portfolio continues to grow, you may want to consider moving it to a standalone website. You can host your portfolio through services like Squarespace or Wix that features pre-made templates and easy drag-and-drop modifications. And if you're comfortable working with HTML, you can host your site through WordPress for even more flexibility.